Hi guys,
Hi, guys,
so
so-
by 27.
Isa pa, ha?
Nag-awang naman kayo ka dyan.
So, ayun guys, ang dami namin ginugupit. Yan.
Mommy,
Excuse me, guys. Okay.
matalino.
What, talino? Ay, ano tatapon?
Ay, sorry?
And guys, tinakpang ko rin siya, guys. You. Just your mic. Okay.
Guys, saan guys yung magaling?
You. Ay. Sorry guys, tumalisik. Ito pa, oh. You.
Ay, sorry. Pita mo na kasi. Natakpan mo yung camera eh.
Tara lang guys. You. Tignan mo guys, may standard na siya. Kaya ka na niya itaas sa langit. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan guys, sorry.
Ay!
Gumula yung camera guys.
Guys, gumalaw guys yung camera.
You.
Ah! Gumalaw guys yung camera.
Napaka-ano. You. See you again. Ay, sila din. Ay.
Ba't yung kuto mo nga?
Hello guys. Meron lang naman talagang hala. Bye-bye guys.
Ay, wala pa nga.
Alam ko.
Besides, she's been a good wife. Let's just forget about it.